Bam.
Man, we on? Alright, welcome to the Rough Life, ladies and gentlemen. I know Nikki normally do all the hosting. So we gonna try something different today. I'm gonna do the hosting. My name is Elijah Ruffin. And we are in Irma. Hurricane Irma.
In the ATL.
In the ATL. Turned into a tropical storm, scared of Atlanta. You see what I'm saying? Cause when Hurricane Irma comes, she got some act right. She done turned into a tropical storm. She better get ready, cause we don't play up here in the ATL. Hurricane Irma that. But we done did disaster preparation. We got plenty of water. So we got plenty of water. Also we took we filled up a lot of water in bags, and this is froze. So if the power goes out, our refrigerator can stay cool with ice in them and everything. Also, if it melts, it'd be something else to drink as well. Also filled up our bathtubs upstairs, for toilet water, just in case if the water goes out. Got a flashlight, big flashlight. And
can I just pause for a second?
Pause, hold on, it's my show.
Why you got those shoes on?
That is what they call these Crocs. You know what I'm saying? These Crocs. These Crocs are real comfortable.
But we are ready for Irma because we got Uno on deck. Hold on, where's she at? We got the Uno attack on deck. We got the regular cards on deck. Hold on, let me. I'm taking it. Oh, we gonna go. I'm gonna come back to you.
Just take over. Nah, you need to come back. You need to take over.
We got the Uno attack on deck, ready to play Uno. I will open the door so you can kind of see what's going on here in the ATL with Irma. Hold on, let me put some shoes on. I took over the channel. I did take over. I took over. Let's get back to Elijah because he definitely in his feelings. He definitely in his feelings. He's about to make a smoothie.
Yeah, smoothie. You know what I'm saying? Most people use frozen fruit, but you got your mango.
This is not a smoothie. This not a smoothie vlog though.
Yeah. Honeydew melon. You know what I'm saying? Fresh strawberries. Fresh strawberries and everything. And gonna put a little, milk in there. I'm lactose intolerant, so I got almond milk and everything. And this is what I do in the morning, every morning. Besides clean up for her. See, she's one that's not at work anymore, so I'm
off today.
Just trying to figure out.
Now I get to see what Elijah does throughout the day because he works from home. His business is from home, so now I get a chance to see what he does every single day.
Yeah.
But we're about to get this breakfast crunk up real quick. Let me open. Let me see if I can open. We got the alarm off. Got the alarm off?
Nah, you gotta, come out. You gonna come out, baby.
Right now, the wind is just blowing right now, here in Atlanta. Blowing pretty hard because, I was just looking out the back window. I'm gonna go. We parked our cars across the street because there's a tree in front of our house, so our cars are parked across the street. Just raining pretty bad, and I have on flip-flops. I really don't want to get wet, but let me see if I can go to the one.
But if you had them Crocs on,
you're not going out there in them Crocs, bringing leaves in my damn house, though. We will do some roughing challenges here, and since we have so much time to ourselves today, we're gonna probably try to do some challenges.
Nah, I work. So some people work around here. So
yeah, we're gonna do some challenges and to see how well, and some pranks. We got a whole day of fun here today at the Ruffin household. Elijah's still playing with his smoothie.
I know the cantaloupe just be looking nasty.
Oh my God. Well,
Okay, another question. If anybody got any way that we can get rid of these gnats, because these gnats are getting on my
We live
nerves.
in the South. What do you think? We live in the South. What y'all thinking?
Look like soon we open our door.
We live in the South. So in the South, we're gonna have that issue in the South. So
but you know, Hurricane Irma know better. She know better. She had turned into a tropical storm.
Irma came up to the ATL. She wasn't ready. She was not. We were ready for Irma. We were definitely ready.
Put on that strip pole. We get some money out of Irma. We can put on that strip pole.
Take Irma down to Magic
City. We can take Irma down to Magic City and make some money off of her.
Well, we're here just enjoying Irma and whatever the tropical storm that we have here in Georgia.
She ain't no hurricane.
You know, we big ups and praying for our people in Florida. Definitely praying for them. Praying for some of our YouTubers. Let's see. It was some I wanted to shout out to that I know for sure that are in Florida. Panton family, praying for you guys. Knowing you guys are in Florida. Saw you guys vlog. You guys were putting up your shutters and stuff. So definitely we're praying for you guys. Hoping everything is good there with you all. And who else was it? When I think of it, I'll definitely shout out on our next video. Because today we will be vlogging today. Because we're here. And today we will do a Q&A. Laji and I about our life experiences and to answer a couple emails that I received. But subscribe to the channel. Subscribe and definitely we will put up a Facebook page because we do have one. I just deactivated it, and it is called it's called Laji and Nikki Ruffin, the Ruffin Life. So we'll definitely put that page out there so you can request us to be friends, and we'll send out friend requests to you guys. We'll send friend requests out randomly to people as well. So you guys can follow us, and then we'll upload our videos on Facebook because we took our personal pages down. But for some reason, Facebook brings them back up. So if you come across my page, I'll just be directed back to the Ruffin Life. And we will definitely accept those friend requests there. But we will be back. We back at it. The wind blowing. And if you can see outside the windows of the house. Trying to show you guys what it looks like. See the debris that's in the yard. Come from the wind, and since we have a tree in the front of our yard, in our driveway, we park the cars across the way. You can see them. So this is what the wind sounds like it's whistling right now. So what we're doing is we're just relaxing. I gotta clean up, being lazy. Don't want to clean up my bedroom at all. That's just it. Just about to watch some TV. We're upstairs because it is cold in the house. Okay, we're about to bring Laji. Oh, I hear the wind too. Wow. Whoa, whoa! 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 What was that?
ain't gonna get me.
I'm in the spare bedroom. Why is this bed? Did you even make the bed up? In the guest bedroom? Let's see if we can look out the window in the other bedroom close to the street. Open the blinds. See. It's just raining really bad, as you can see. Scared his ass. Ah! Wow. Didn't want him to come out that bathroom. That would have been a sight right there. But it's pretty much how it's going here today. In the ATL. Wow. It is super cold. It's definitely cold. I know you guys end up seeing our painting class. Well, this is what I did with the pictures. I put them on the wall in the den. Here's some more of my paintings that I did on my own. So, yeah, we do need to, we got clothes everywhere. YouTube, the prank went bad. It was good. I scared the hell. I got his ass good. And the damn camera wasn't even on. I mean, I am literally crying right now. It was so damn funny. And my camera was not on, so I did not even get him. I am mad as hell. So, it's not even one up for me. It's not even Team Nikki yet. So, the prank that went bad didn't have the damn camera on. If I could reenact how he ran into that, he was like,
I don't remember that.
oh my God, the prank that went